Bitcoin, will it pump or will it dump? XRP and BTT are going on a run. If you want to know why, make sure you watch this video. Hi guys and welcome to TSO Crypto, your home for crypto technical analysis. Today, we will talk about Bitcoin, where Bitcoin can go. Will it pump or will it dump? Also, XRP has taken off. We will look at its technicals. We'll also look at BTT, as it is also going on a run. Now, before we start, remember, all the information provided here is for entertainment and educational purposes only. It is not financial advice, as I am not a financial advisor. With that said, let's go look at market cap. Market cap on the daily. What are we doing? Not a lot happening in the last couple of days. Yesterday, we did pull back quite a bit. Today, gaining a little bit, 1.61%. Not a lot. Hidden divergence is still there. It is still putting pressure on the price. That's why we are stagnating and failing to go higher. Let's go and check out Bitcoin. Bitcoin on the daily. What is happening here, man? Well, we did pull back down yesterday, closed below $54,230. Right now, we're trying to move back above it. On the daily, we don't have anything. We've gone much higher than the previous high here from September the 7th. On market cap, I didn't talk about it, but we still have not reached that high. So Bitcoin doing really good. Right now, like I said, there's really nothing happening here on the technicals. We're still just sitting bought at 67.57. But let's go on to the shorter time scales and see if we can determine where Bitcoin will go. For our chart, yesterday we were playing with the idea on the live stream of a potential double top developing. Guess what? That idea has gone out the window because we're not getting that motion, right? So we had this hidden divergence. We had the possibility for action to the upside. It held us at 20 very nicely, pumped back up, got above 54,230. Again, 7 p.m. candle when we were live, going back up onto the zone, rejecting 55,504. Now, are we creating anything here for that rejection? No, but Bitcoin does not have the volume or the strength that it needs right now to move up higher. Why is that? Well, first of all, it's the weekend. Volume tends to be a little bit slow on the weekends. So, not getting a lot of interaction right now with Bitcoin. So we're still stagnating. We're still in that channel, 55,406 to 54,230, and we have wicked below it slightly. That 20 moving average has been support. Right now, we're probably going to go back down to it, test it, and then we're going to try to get above $55,406 again, and we'll see how it'll be handled. We've rejected once, we're rejecting twice. I mean, it does not seem like Bitcoin wants to close above that right now. Bitcoin being above the 20 moving average and still having that line right on top as resistance, it's going to make it to where Bitcoin is going to start getting sandwiched in between that line as it starts to go up. Now, that is going to certainly put pressure on the price. And we could interpret this as being a small upsloping triangle, right? So how would that triangle look? Well, on this short time scale, we could be looking at the triangle by being something like this. So as you can tell, we're not getting the best hit points. But again, I'm just highlighting the idea that this is a triangle structure that we're building into. We have not come back down, hit it here on this move down. Came back to the top again, going back to that same top. So there's definitely a resistance at $55,406, but there seems to be some kind of support down here. Obviously, the 20 moving average acting as that support as well, getting us to put pressure on the price as we try to move higher. Now, this triangle we can adjust and go here, and it'll look a little bit better there. And with that, again, upsloping triangles tend to break to the upside. Hopefully, we can break up and get above that 55,406. So right now, I think if Bitcoin were to move here, we could be looking for a movement up. That is, if we break this triangle with strength to the upside. Otherwise, we could just keep on moving sideways and still consolidate. It would not be bad if we still get consolidation on this line and just keep on consolidating right around here, right? Not be bad if Bitcoin just keeps on consolidating in this range before we actually move. It's giving us an area where we're gonna find support on the way back down whenever Bitcoin pumps, or it's gonna give us an area of resistance if Bitcoin is to go down again. We're gonna find resistance when we get back up to this level. That is it for Bitcoin here on the 4-hour. Let's go and check the 1-hour chart. So what do we have here? We had yesterday hidden bullish divergence. We were here 6 p.m. That's 9 p.m. right here. So when we were live, we're still below 54,230. We're rejecting that line quite a bit. Rejected once right here, twice, 3 times, right? With this movement pulling us back down. 4 times on the 5th. We finally broke above it. That is good. Got above the 20, which was another target that we talked about. And now the 20 has become a support. So that 20 moving average acting as a support for Bitcoin. There's nothing bearish, right? High point on the price, lower point on the price, positive momentum, less positive momentum, high on the R side, lower on the R side, neutral at 53.80. It's not really a lot happening here right now. Just consolidating sideways above that 20. Very nice, using it as support, but nothing bullish, nothing bearish. Now, will Bitcoin pump or dump? That's the title of the stream. We don't know yet. We really don't know yet if it's going to pump or dump. It's consolidating. We are expecting for it to move up again, right? We're expecting to see continuation to the upside. But a movement down on a retrace would also not be out of the question. Bitcoin could, in all fairness, drop to that $52,119 mark. It just so happens that the weekend has come by. Instead of pumping or dumping, we're just happening to move sideways a little bit. Let's go and check out XRP. XRP on the daily. Man, what is happening with XRP? It's gone insane, man. XRP on the daily. What is happening with XRP? It's gone insane. It just went ballistics, pumping 10.74% right now. Do we have anything on the technicals? Last thing we had was this bullish divergence here. Potential fraction to the upside, rejected slightly here at $1.01, which is a resistance. Broke back down, managed to hold that 90.8-cent mark, getting above the $1.01 mark again, using it as support. Look, very nice support now. And going through, and now we're trying to break $1.17. Are we going to make it? Man, I do hope we close above that area today for XRP. That will be very beneficial. Closing above that area gets us on a position where if tomorrow we also happen to close above $1.17, man, things look better, because now we're confirming we are above this level of resistance has become a support. And then we're looking for our next move, which at least would put XRP here hitting that 50% retrace at $1.46, or best case scenario, $1.59. That would be a very, very nice move to the upside on XRP. We might have some slight resistance around this area at around $1.39. That's because we have seen that we were pumping here. We found some kind of resistance and rejected on that area. Yes, we had bearish divergence for that moving down. But again, it's creating a slight area where XRP might hit some slight resistance. So $1.39 might be a resistance. Then above there, we have that 50% retrace on the fibs, and that'll put us around $1.46. And then above there, $1.59. So not bad for XRP. Hidden bearish divergence starting to happen right now. And with that, we're going from a high point to a lower point here on the price. And we are coming from a low point here to a higher point here on the price. So just keep in mind, it's starting to build. It's not there yet. It's not yet confirmed, but we might start to see some stagnation. And we are hitting it at a key area of resistance, which is $1.17. We have wicked above it, but certainly the pressure that this hidden divergence is placing on the market is making it move back down. And we're struggling to close above. We've been flirting with this line for a bit. So we do need to close above this line if we want to continue going higher. Hopefully we can do that. The market is feeling bullish, at least for XRP. If the price does close above it, we are going to see XRP potentially get continuation, although that hidden divergence will still be there and still be putting pressure on the price. Let's go and check the 4-hour chart. What do we have here, man? Things are looking a little bit more exciting here. At least there's a little bit more things happening on the shorter time frames. So what do we have here? We had bearish divergence, strong move down, created hidden bullish. That hidden bullish getting us above that 20 and helping us rally to where the point that we're at right now. We're starting to create more strong bearish divergence, but this time against the MACD. And with that, the possibility for action to the downside. Now, is XRP going to move down? Man, a retrace would not be bad. We're getting it on this candle, but again, closing this 4-hour above $1.17, even where we're at right now, which is above that 382 fifth retracement at $1.15, would be very beneficial. At least it gets XRP moving on the right track. We are seeing XRP again on the last 4-hour candle, barely got above that 382 fifth close there. Right now, we're trying to move up above the next level of resistance, but again, that strong bearish divergence certainly putting pressure on that price. Let's hope that we can get XRP to continue rallying. We are overbought at 73.96. That is also a catalyst as to why XRP could be coming back down. The perceived value, but while being overbought, means that XRP is overpriced for what it's supposed to be worth at right now, or whatever fair value is supposed to be for XRP. So being overbought, having strong bearish divergence do tend to put pressure on the price, and that will potentially have us come back down a bit. Let's go check out the 1-hour chart. What do we have? We don't have anything. We're just gone. It's pumping, man. It's just gone bananas. Look at it. Look at it. This is very nice. So we don't have anything bullish or bearish on the technicals. We're doing okay. But what is happening right now? We're just pumping. We're just going, right? Whatever we had on the 4-hour, whatever we had on the daily, that's what's helping us rally. It's doing good. It's just gone insane. Hit that 20-pound support. Look at it. Catapulted to the upside. Breaking above that 382 at $1.15. Breaking above $1.17. Came back down. Back tested it. Look, close above that line using that support right now. We come back down, back tested it again. The lowest point we made is $1.17, $1.1731. We have our line at $1.1725. Again, we're fractions of a cent off target. Hit it as support. It looks as though we're trying to hold on. So what can XRP do? Man, consolidating slightly at this level, creating a small flag formation right around here. Even the flag could bring us back down to his 382 fee retracement at $1.15. Going there, finding support as we flag slightly down sloping could be beneficial, as that down sloping consolidation could bring more action to the upside. Very nice for XRP. I'm excited for XRP. Now let's go and check out BTT. All right, so BTT, what do we have? Man, we created bullish divergence down here. With that, we got action to the upside. Very nice rally. But now we're starting to create some of that hidden bearish. What that's going to do is put pressure on the price of BTT. We are moving above that 236 retracement at 0.38 cents. So we're talking about a fraction of a cent, almost a 40% of a cent. So with that, again, bearish divergence hidden, potential for stagnation. Man, we're still looking as though we want to rally, pumping 12.94% right now on the day. Very nice for BTT. Let's go and check the 4-hour chart. What do we have here? Well, we had bearish divergence hidden without the possibility for action downside, came back down, hit that 20, bouncing off the 20 again, finding support. We didn't create anything bullish, so we're just bouncing support at the 20 again, feeling bullish for BTT. We're on an uptrend. That is fine. We do have a support line here that is acting as our main support for now. And again, that'll be looking something like this. We have not broken it, so very, very nice here on BTT, going up higher, bouncing off that 20, even here, hitting that 20, finding support, pumping higher. Nothing bearish right now. So very good. There's nothing stopping the price of BTT except for some pullback that we might get on account that we're well overextended on the Bollinger Bands and we are overbought at 76.70. Other than that, man, it's still clear to keep on running. So if we flag a little bit and continue, it would not necessarily be bad for BTT. Let's go and check out the 1-hour chart. What do we have here on the 1 hour? Man, look, yesterday, bearish divergence strong, potential fraction to the downside. We did move down a bit. I was targeting the 20. We didn't quite hit it. We just started to bounce. Not necessarily bad, but a hit of that 20 would have been very beneficial for BTT. At least it would have gotten us to hit support and bounce from a support, showing a little bit more strength. We're still bouncing and not hitting the support, but again, it does tend to weaken up a little bit of the movement. We are having strong bearish divergence developing up here on the top of the chart. With that, the potential for action to the downside. We have moved down 1 candle, 2 candles. We're recovering, and right now, looks as though we might move down a little bit for this candle. Not the worst. I mean, upsloping consolidation tends to break us down. We're breaking back down. But if we look at the macro, again, this is just a consolidation starting. We need to wait for it to develop a little bit more before we continue. So we could flag here for a little bit before we continue moving up. And that'll be very, very nice here on BTT. We're sitting bought at 65.63. Again, bearishness on the 1 hour. Nothing on the 4 hour, right? The 4 hour, clear to keep on moving higher. The daily, hidden bearish. So we just have strong bearish on the 1 hour, hidden bearish on the daily. Nothing on the 4. Man, what's going to play out here? Well, we don't have coinciding data across all 4 charts, but at least what we know from the daily and the 1 hour is that we're looking a little bit bearish. So pulling back down, consolidating would not be bad. Man, after that, we could take off again, and that could be very, very nice here for BTT. Guys, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the content, make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you want to watch another one of our videos, you can watch yesterday's video right here. Or if you rather have YouTube make a video for you, you can watch the video up there. That'll be all. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you tomorrow for another edition of TSO Crypto. Until then,